Welcome back to the Star channel and to another episode of Star Sweets. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make the perfect waffles. So if you're interested, keep watching.
On the Star channel, we'll sing our hearts out loud. We'll share tales of wonder and make you feel proud. With every craft we try, a masterpiece will appear. So join us on this journey and let your dreams steer. Let your dreams steer.
Okay, we're gonna start by melting our butter. You can do this in a regular small bowl, so I'm just using this pitcher, but you can use it in any bowl you'd like. And you're just gonna melt your butter in the microwave. Now that our butter is melted, we're gonna set that aside and start to sift our dry ingredients. So we're gonna add our flour, and our baking powder. You can also add your favorite spices. I'll be using cinnamon. Then we're going to sift everything together. Add our salt and sugar and whisk up everything. Full measurements for all the ingredients I'll be using will be in the description below. Now we're going to set that bowl aside and bring back our melted butter and start adding other ingredients to it. We're gonna add our milk, vanilla extract, and our eggs, which I always like to crack in a separate bowl before adding to the rest of the mixture. And then we're gonna mix everything up. Remember, full measurements for all the ingredients I'll be using will be in the description down below. Now it's time to add our wet ingredients to our dry ingredients and make sure everything is mixed properly, but make sure we also do not overmix. If you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. You can add a little flour if you need to. I'm gonna switch to a wooden stick to make sure everything is being mixed properly. Now that our waffle batter is ready, it's time to make our waffles. So I'll be linking to the waffle iron I'm using in this video in the description below. So make sure to check the description for the Amazon link to this waffle iron I'm using. So you like to actually preheat your waffle iron before you get started, so you can preheat your waffle iron while you're making the batter, so that will be ready so you can make your waffles. So for this particular waffle iron I'm using, I like to put it at the highest heat. We're gonna add our waffle batter to our iron, and you want to make sure not to fill it too much because it's still gonna spread as it cooks. And I'll be cooking this for 8 minutes. Our waffles are done, and as you can see, as we open them, they're a nice brown color. So that's always a good sign. So you want to continue doing this with the rest of your batter, and you can also let your waffle iron heat up in between, because it's very good if your waffle iron is hot before you add the batter. So looking for more videos like this, make sure to check out my Star Sweets playlist. You can check it by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. Also link to it in the description below. We have plenty of recipes there, from cakes to cookies to cupcakes. So if you're looking for other things to bake, to make, we have it all there. And I'll continue to make more videos as you guys continue to support me. So subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. So today I'll be having my waffles with some scrambled eggs. So let's start assembling our meal. I'm gonna be breaking off my waffles. As you can see, they're nice and fluffy on the inside, which is always a good sign, and they're crisp on the outside. I'll be adding some ketchup to my eggs, of course, and syrup to my waffles. So let's cut into our waffles. I like how it's crispy on the outside and nice and fluffy on the inside. So I hope you all tried this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to drop me a comment. I'd like to hear your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next video.